worry about a thing, mama. Cause I'll be standing on the side when you check it. I'm kind of jealous though. Like, I have to be the first one who sings with Jisoo. Don't you feel too bad? Hey, don't you worry about a thing, baby. Cause I'll be standing on the side when you check it. I love to sing with her too. Hey. I love her. I love how she expresses things. And she's so hot and she's so pretty. Goodbye the time to like it's like the habit that when you're a singer, you just copy things and you just repeat things from the TV. 여기는 오빠 그걸 줄였네. You should be like, you know what I mean? Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, thank you.